Okay, just got this Redragon keyboard in. So far, it's kind of impressive. I like the braided nylon covered cable. Feels great in the hand. So far, the keys they seem very silent, so that's a plus. And it has it looks like, magnetic palm rest. Let's see if I can do this. Oh my goodness, there it went. Click, click, click. So looks great so far. I just turned the lights on and plugged it in, and keyboard looks great. Colors are nice and bright. Tactile feel is great. Springiness is great, and it's not very loud at all, so all in all, very pleased.